On these, we just need to find the sum or the difference. You can turn these into decimals. Just be careful because on ones like, well, 15 will be a little bit big. The rest of these aren't too bad. Otherwise, we'll just change these into fractions, which is what I recommend. This would be -4/10. And that would really just be a -3/5. But we need common denominators. So we'll make it 10. That would give us -4/10 -6/10. Some of you know that you could simplify 4/10. That's okay. That would give us a -10/10, which is -1. On number 15, we're going to need a common denominator. Some of you know you can simplify that 3/6. That's okay. Otherwise, we're going to have to use a common denominator of 48. So the 6 times the 8 and 8 times 6. So we'll multiply the numerators by the same number. That gives us a -42 over 48 minus 24 over 48. So on that last problem, I skipped a step. I'll show it this time. Denominator is 48, and you got -42 minus 24, which would give you a -66 over 48. And we can simplify this. So we'll divide both by 6. And that would give us -11 over 8. If you use the decimal, you'd have a -1.123375. Okay. We're going to do this one. It's 9 minus, well, it'd be a plus right there, right? Yeah. So plus, it really would be 1/4. Some of you guys know that it would just be 9.25 just from that, though. And that's fine. Otherwise, you got to find common denominators, which we could use 4. So you'd get 36 over 4 plus 1 over 4, which is 37/4, which would also, well, it can't be simplified, but as a decimal, it would be 9.25. Bam!